Do you really need thousands of words to speak English? Most people think English is very difficult. Grammar, vocabulary, rules, too much confusion. But what if I tell you, you can speak English with just 200 simple words? Yes, only 200 words. No grammar. No difficult words. No teacher needed. Just simple English that you can use every day. English is not about big words. It's about using small words in a smart way. Let's see a simple example. Where are you going? I am going to the market. See? No difficult words. Still clear and correct. Now look at this. I want water. I need help. I like this. These are very basic words, but they are powerful. Now compare this. I would like to purchase some food items. And I want to buy food. Which one is easier? Simple English is fast English. Now here is the secret formula. Subject, verb, object. I eat rice. I watch TV. I learn English. That's it. You don't need complicated grammar. Just follow this simple pattern. Don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking today. Start with small words. Because fluency comes from practice, not perfection. If you really want to speak English confidently, subscribe to this channel and start your English journey today.